Hi, this is the video about how using your PowerPoint efficiently by using a shortcut button or using a button as well. So here's the one. So step one, you want to obviously put this following pictures in your PPT here. So step one, easy. You have to go to the P letter, the PowerPoint sign here, and make a new one over here, and that's it. Now if you want to put the following pictures here to here, there's two options for that. One, you can right click and push the button called copy, and then go back to here and push the button paste here, and there's a picture here. Or the other one is it'll be best to do if you go back here, instead of using the mouse, you can use the keyboard for that. For the keyboard, push the button called Control C. That's the button for copy here. And instead of using your mouse here, you can change your folder really quickly by using the button called Art tab here. Okay, if you use the Art tab, there we go. PowerPoint pretty short quickly here. If you click here, if you want to put the picture there, now Control C this time, it's going to be Control V. There we go. So if you want to copy, it is Control C, put the picture, Control V for that. So you just continue this all the time. And then another button tip you can do, you want to see if your PowerPoint is working well. So there's two ways for that. One, by mouse, you can go to the button called slideshow and push the beginning, and there it is. You can see how the PPT slideshow is going on here. And now, or the second one, very simple again, it's best to use the button called F5 here. Very simple. If you push F5, there it is. There's the following show here. Alright, so that was a button here. So actually there's one more button, but let's go through that later here. So you want to make many slides. In this case here, there's maybe two options for that. So these are, one, go to that insert and then push the button called new slide here. Or step two, keyboard. Another way to make new slide through keyboard is push the button called enter here. So if you push the enter, as you can see, new slides is coming up here. So that was up making a new slides here. Sometimes the picture you see can be too big here. For that, you can just for example, let's say, oh no, the pictures are a little bit too small here, so I want to make a picture a bit bigger. So very easy. All you do is push this button, push the picture, push the following picture here, and if you look at the picture, there's like a circle around the picture here. All you do is you just keep pushing guys, don't let it go, and then drag it in or out until you make the images you want to show here. So there we go. So that was a following, making a pictures bigger and smaller. Or sometime you want to make your picture a little bit cool here, like, I don't know, maybe you can spin the pictures around. So that's one way you can do that. For example, if let's say if you want to spin this one here, can you see the circly arrows over here? Drag this and then do whatever spin you would like to do here. But when you do it, don't go crazy, okay? Maybe a little will do. Maybe that's for the book title here, not for the main book. So that was a spin here. And there's one more button. You know, if you look at the first slide, I just want, one book cover here. I have like this one here. So how do I get rid of it? Put away. So easy. There's a one button for that, and that button is going to be the called delete button here. So if you want to delete some certain pictures, click the following picture and then push the button called delete, It's disappear. And I only want one, so I will delete this one too. There we go. So that was some little buttons we can go through here. And now the last part, you want to put some pretty pictures from the internet. And if you want to, usually you guys would look at neighbor.com to look at the internet, but please guys, do not look at the neighbor for that. Not a good option. If you want to see a lot of beautiful, more cool pictures here, I recommend you to go to Google here. And to go to Google, very simple. Just go and click on any internet you would like to do. And on the top, type the word called www.googlecode.com. And if you do that, there it is. For example, I want to find a picture about, monster eating a cake. Very simple. Just type the word called monster eating cake. And if you go to images, there's a lot of picture you can look for here. So for example, I want to have this one. So don't copy here. You want to have a good, great picture on your PowerPoint. So what you have to do is, you one click for that, wait until it shows a clean picture, and then same thing, you copy the image, and then go back and paste here. For this one, I don't recommend you to push the Ctrl+V section here because it's going to show the little bit blurry image here. So I recommend you to do the mouse paste for bringing the images from the Googles here. So that was a little bit of tutorials about how to use your keyboard efficiently when you do your PowerPoint here. Thank you for listening.